I just bought this headlight restore set Colormatic with 2K headlight clear coat for long-term UV protection for professional use only. Let's try it. You can see my cloudy headlight.
수바라시